Learning outcomes are an essential tool in developing strong student learning programs at BYU. Outcomes are assessed using evidence that is gathered from student work. Faculty use the evidence to take actions. Taking appropriate and constructive actions will help our students reach their intended outcomes. Taking actions to improve outcomes is closing the loop in each of our disciplines. This process makes for a smooth ride for both faculty and students in the teaching and learning process. Now, if we fail to close the loop and take action, it's like a wheel with a large section missing. It might roll along, but it will be a very slow and bumpy ride. We will even impede the progress of others. When we close the loop and take action, we create a program that will roll forward quickly and smoothly, that will greatly enlarge BYU's influence in the world.